Okay, so we have a Mazda 1993 Mazda Miata, and we have a problem. I'm gonna show you what it makes when you're trying to start to crank the engine. It's a stick, so it just cranked but it won't start. See, and the battery is always is almost dead. Okay, so we already do the cable jumps and all that, and nothing works. So we suspect that it's gonna be the fuel pump, which is back in there somewhere. I just looked some of the videos on YouTube as well, how to replace the fuel pump. So but I'm just gonna show you what it makes that the Mazda Miata won't start. We already replaced the battery and the alternator. We test them and everything looks good. So now we're going to do the fuel pump and see if it's gonna work out this time. Right, stay with me. Connect the negative cable. All right. So now we're gonna do these three, all these things to take this part off. All right. There you go. Here. I know this is not the right pliers for this, but I don't want to walk to my truck and get the other ones. Okay, that's it. That's the part number right there. Alright, keep in touch. Okay, so aquí tenemos, we had the fuel pump for 50 bucks, for 60, something like that. So this is it here. It comes with this. Little thing right here. And this is a part number from bought it at AutoZone. Alright. And this is, I bought it Napa because AutoZone didn't have the suck, the strainer. And this is a fuel filter as well. It's kind of neat. Alright. So, we start with the fuel pump here. This is the one. Okay, so I tried to put this little thing, you know, right in here. So I put a little bit of grease. You know, Vanish. So it's gonna be like this. All right. And then for this is screw. And then alright, let's try it again. I just had to charge the battery. Okay, so filter. So you feel this right here. Change this, that, and two more over there. Oh, it's better. Okay, it's right here. Right there. Alright. So we just disconnect. We have to disconnect just this right here, and this one right here, and this one right here. Okay, this one right here, and these two lines, and this is a fuel filter on Mazda 93 Mazda Miata. Alright, so I had to just show you when I install. Alright guys, that's the fuel filter, the new fuel filter. So I'm gonna just hook up everything back together and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like my video, and remember, I'm not professional. I'm just like you guys, just the one in front of you, like to try to fix your own stuff, you know. Thank you. All right, it's working now. Yeah, let's do it again. Okay, good job. So that's not working now. It was the fuel pump the problem.